Sige. Hello, Yolanda. Miss ka?
Bagyo?
Start na guys! 3, 2, 1, action!
Oh, ay puso tayo doon. You eat or drink anything from coming to school? It's not enough, Carl. No wonder you feel weak today. You need something, especially with nutrients. Especially in the morning. I always start my day with Bear Brand powdered milk, and I feel energized always. Bear Brand, that's what a lot of people think. But Bear Brand isn't just any ordinary milk. It has iron, zinc, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients. It strengthens your body, boosts your resistance, especially on the Exactly. Ever wonder why you don't get sick? Bear Brand helps with that too. It gives you an immune system job, so you stay strong even when you're tired or puyat from schoolwork. I will do better. Yes, it's a great way to fuel your body the right nutrition. No more skipping breakfast, coffee. Bear Brand's affordable, easy to prepare, and tastes really good. Here, try this one. You just need hot water, stir it, and drink and feel the difference. Hey, this actually tastes great, and it's not heavy at all. Help you. Don't you? Perfect for students like us. You don't need to survive the day. You don't just survive the day. You actually have energy. That's the Bear Brand effect, bro. Imagine if you drink egg every day, your body gets stronger, your mind clearer, and you won't get tired so easily. Okay, you convinced me. From now on, it's Bear Brand every morning. You'll try the stomachs and glass. Sleeping like a bird. Bear Brand, tibay sa isip, tibay sa...
Take two.